Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Ausique. Today we are going to learn 16 American English slang words and expressions about food and drink. Learn these slang words with example, sentences, and repeat the words and sentences out loud to improve your English speaking. At the end of the lesson, try the quiz to test your understanding of these American slang words. Number 1. Grope. Grope is a slang word for food. Two other slang words for food are nosh and chow. All three of these are very informal and they are most frequently used with, for example, I'm hungry, let's get some grope. Number 2. Booze. Booze is a slang word for alcohol. For example, we found him asleep next to an empty bottle of booze. Number 3. Cup of joe. Cup of joe is a slang word for coffee. For example, if I don't have my morning cup of joe, I can't stay awake for my 7 a.m. class. Number 4. Grinder. Grinder is one of many slang words for a long sandwich. Other names for this kind of sandwich include hero, sub, hoagie, and poor boy. The names vary depending on the region of the United States. For example, have you tried the new meatball grinder? It's really good. Number 5. Lay off. To lay off something means to stop eating so much of a food. For example, I'm gaining weight. I should probably lay off the fast food. Number 6. Pig out. To pig out is to eat a lot of food. For example, we all pigged out at the all-you-can-eat buffet. Number 7. Doggy bag. A doggy bag is food you take home from the restaurant if you didn't finish it. For example, the restaurant served so much food that I couldn't eat it all, so I took the rest home in a doggy bag. So if you're in a restaurant and you want to ask the waiter or waitress to give you a doggy bag, you can say, "Can I get a doggy bag?" Or, "Could you wrap this up for me?" Number 8. Plastered. Plastered is one of many ways to say very drunk with alcohol. For example, he's completely plastered. He can't even stand up. A few other ways to say plastered include wasted, juiced, sauced, sloshed, hammered, trashed, and shit-faced. Shit-faced is a little bit offensive. Number 9. Brunch. The word brunch is a combination of the words breakfast and lunch. It is a meal eaten in the late morning which replaces breakfast and lunch. For example, we are having brunch at 10:30 on Sunday morning. Number 10. Sweet tooth. A person who has a sweet tooth is someone who loves candy, cookies, cake, chocolate, or other sweet foods. For example, my son has such a sweet tooth, he'd eat candy for breakfast if I let him. Number 11. Veggie. Veggie is a short for vegetable. It can also mean vegetarian food. For example, I'm making some veggie burgers. Number 12. Yummy and yucky. Yummy and yucky are two words that means delicious and disgusting. These words are mostly used by children. For example, macaroni and cheese is really yummy. I don't like broccoli, it's yucky. Number 13. Wolf down. If you wolf down food, it means you eat very fast. For example, he wolfed down 4 pieces of pizza and asked for more. Number 14. Snack on. To snack on something means to eat lightly. For example, if you want to lose weight, try snacking on dry fruits instead of potato chips. Number 15. Have a bite. If you want to taste some of your friend's food, you say, "Can I have a bite of your steak, spaghetti, salad, or etc. Number 16. Grab a bite to eat. To grab a bite to eat is to get something to eat. For example, let's grab a bite to eat on the way to work. That was it for me, guys. I am looking forward to reading your comments below this video, and I'm looking forward to see you soon in my next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.